Welcome to the House Nameplate Company's guide to fixing an aluminium nameplate to a wall. You will need a spirit level, the screws and fixings which are supplied with it, and a drill which has hammer action on it, and a 6mm drill bit, masonry drill bit. Firstly, place your nameplate on the wall where you wish for it to be, about the height that you would like it. Preferably be drilling into the brick, not the mortar, because the brick's actually stronger. Place your spirit level above the nameplate, on top of it. And make sure the bubbles between the two lines. I'm using a Sharpie, or you can use a felt tip pen. It's actually a Sharpie pen. You want something which got quite a long point on it. Nameplate just moved then, so I'm just going to level it off again. And through the holes, with 2 dots on the wall, move your aluminium sign out of the way, so when you're drilling, none of your dust on the wall lands on your nameplate. So I'm just going to put it there out of the way. Where your holes are nice and straight. You want to be drilling to about where the twist stops on the masonry bit. Get your 6mm raw plugs, place one in each hole, making sure that they're in quite firmly. I tend to tap them in with the top of the screwdriver. And the screwdriver you want to be using for our fixings is a flat end screwdriver. You can see. Place your nameplate over your raw plugs. I'll tighten the screws in just by hand to begin with, just so they start gripping. And then with your flat end screwdriver, I tend to hold the top of the screw and the screwdriver at the same time, just so you don't slip off. And then scratch the nameplate. It's the last thing you want. I also tend not to use power tool to tighten them in, just because sometimes you can over tighten, which can damage the raw plug or even the nameplate. And you just got a bit more control with the screwdriver, I feel anyway. Nice and tight. Get your 2 caps, chrome caps. In the centre you'll see a little hole in the centre of the screw, and these just screw in. And there you have it. Your aluminium number fixed to the wall. Thank you for watching the House Nameplate Company's guide to fitting your aluminium plate.